So affiliate marketing is a great way for beginners to start making money online completely for free. But if you're a beginner using a beginner approach, you're only going to be making small amounts of chump change really. It's only when you start using things like affiliate marketing funnels that you start to see the big bucks. So in this video, I'm going to explain what affiliate marketing funnels are, why you should be using them, and towards the end, I'm going to show you some specific examples of affiliate marketing funnels so that you can start making them yourself today. So thanks for watching Starting Up. I'm Greg, and last year I made $30,000 of passive income, and around $20,000 of that was through affiliate marketing. And this year I've set myself the task of making $100,000 in 12 months, and I'm going to be documenting any lessons I learn along the way. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to learn from my journey and my experiences in the next 12 months. And I'm also trying to hit 100,000 subscribers in 12 months too. So definitely make sure to subscribe and help me hit that milestone. And throughout this video, if you become interested in affiliate marketing funnels and want to start using them yourself, then make sure to write funnels in the comments below so that everyone can see your interest. Alright, so let's just jump straight into it. What is an affiliate marketing funnel? Well, a funnel is a process that moves visitors into buyers. So if we jump into my PowerPoint, we can see an example of this funnel here. And you can see it takes strangers that are coming in from the top and converts them into customers. So it's a step-by-step process that takes someone who is completely new to you and new to your brand and new to your products and eventually converts that person into a customer in the end. And basically how that's done is through you providing value through each of these stages of the sales funnel. You're providing value, providing value, providing value, so that when you get to the end of the sales funnel, the affiliate marketing funnel, that person has no other option but to really want to buy from you and to make a purchase from what you're recommending. So when you use a sales funnel, you're going to be left with three beneficial things. First off, you're going to be left with the money from the sale that you've made with your customer. So that's one thing that you're going to get from a sales funnel. Secondly, you're going to get that customer's email address. And finally, you're going to build a relationship up with that customer. So at the end of the sales funnel, you've got your money, you've got a relationship with the customer, they know you, they trust you, and then you've got the email address so that you can contact them again in the future and make more and more sales with different products. So that is the general definition of what an affiliate marketing funnel is. But why do we need to use one? Well, traditionally, someone that's new to affiliate marketing will try and take this basic approach. They'll either make an advert or they'll make some content, so a video on YouTube or a blog post, sending someone straight to a product page to buy the product. And if you're using this basic approach, you're very unlikely to make a sale. And that's because the truth is, new prospects are very unlikely to make a purchase from you at first glance when first becoming aware of you. It takes time. Visitors aren't going to buy a product from anyone unless they feel there's an immense amount of value there. And what an affiliate marketing funnel basically does, it allows you to create a relationship with that potential customer and basically show that you legitimately share value and basically have the solution to their problem. So that by the time they get to the end of that funnel, the end of those stages and that process with you, they really know you, trust you, and believe that you have the value that they need. So that's why if you want to start making big amounts of money with affiliate marketing and sell really high priced items to your prospects, you need to be using an affiliate marketing funnel. Now I'm going to go on and show you some specific examples of affiliate marketing funnels in the rest of this video. But if you want to learn from the master, the granddad of funnels, you need to be looking at Russell Brunson and reading his book, .com Secrets. That's what I read this time last year that got me learning about funnels and really seeing their potential. And now basically I'm seeing them everywhere and seeing how beneficial they are. So if you want to learn even more detail about marketing funnels and get every specific example of funnels you can think of, then I'd recommend buying this book that I'll pop up here. I'll put a link to the book in the description below. If you go to that website, they're giving away the book for free at the moment. You just have to put your address details in, pay for postage, which is around $7, and they'll send you that book for free. And I couldn't recommend that book more. Like I said, when I first read that book, it hugely opened my eyes and showed me the potential of making big money with affiliate marketing online, and it's why I've started this $100,000 challenge this year. It was an inspiration for me, basically upping my ambition. So I'd recommend anyone read that book, and like I said, I'll put the link to this book in the description below. Okay, so how do affiliate marketing funnels work? While the goal of the whole funnel is to solve your potential customer's problem. So you create content to draw those prospective customers in and show that you basically understand their problem and know the solution to it. And then at the end of the affiliate marketing funnel, you offer them a product that is going to solve their problem once and for all. And there's many varieties of affiliate marketing funnels out there. But if we jump over to the PowerPoint, I'm going to show you the very basic structure of a funnel that every funnel is built on. And then from the basic foundation, people make different variations and make it more elaborate, but this is the basic that exists in every funnel. So the first stage is getting your visitors. Like I said before, you can do that through paid advertising or through free methods like putting out content on YouTube, Facebook, etc. But you're going to get your visitors, that's stage one. And then stage two of any funnel is they're going to go to an opt-in page. And this is where you use carefully decided wording and probably a free giveaway to capture your potential customer's email address. The opt-in page is where they opt in, give the email address, and you give them something back in return. And then the final stage of any affiliate marketing funnel is this thank you page that comes up at the end of the process. So that's the skeleton structure, the stripped back structure of any funnel. And the most important outcome of the 3 stages of a funnel is to capture your potential customer's email address. Because once you have that, you can recontact them and recontact them, go through those stages of the funnel and eventually sell them the product. So the most important stage here is the opt-in page where you're capturing the email address. And once you've got that, you can sell your product and then you can make future upsells for more and more expensive products in the future. So let's look at a case study of a real basic example of an affiliate marketing funnel. So if we jump over to this screen, we're going to see a funnel that I took from Miles Beckler's blog, and I'll link it to his blog in the description below. But this is a affiliate marketing funnel that he uses, and it doesn't show you the stage 1 visitors section, it just shows you from stage 2 the opt-in page that we spoke about before. So Miles Beckler uses an opt-in page where he here captures someone's email address. You can see the button there to put the email address in, and then he takes them to a thank you page, which is the 3rd stage of the affiliate marketing funnel that we spoke about before, over to the thank you page. And then after that, he takes them to an affiliate offer. So he tries to sell the product. So this is a very basic funnel where he has the visitors coming in, opt-in page, thank you page, and then immediately after he takes them to the affiliate offer. So that this funnel has 4 stages rather than the 3 stages of the basics of any funnel that exists that we spoke about before. And Miles Beckler says that this funnel he uses has been super effective to making affiliate marketing sales for him. He has an opt-in page where he hints that a video is going to help the customer, but you have to put your email address in to see the video. Once you press submit and submit your email address, it takes you through to the video. You watch the video, and then after you've seen the video, whatever was in the video was enough to encourage the potential customer to purchase the affiliate offer that is shown to them at the final stage of the funnel. So now that we've seen a really basic affiliate marketing funnel, let's jump over to a more sophisticated funnel from the Crazy Eye Marketing blog. I'll link you to the page I got this from in the description below. But the funnel that they're using on the Crazy Eye Marketing blog is getting traffic, so getting visitors. They're using Facebook in this example to get their visitors. But like I said, you can use any paid advertising method, or you can easily use free methods like I use on these videos, creating content. So they're getting their traffic, they're taking them to a squeeze page, which is the opt-in page. It's also known as a squeeze page. So they're capturing people's email addresses, and then they're taking them to the thank you section. So those are the 3 basic fundamentals of any funnel that we spoke about before. But after they have shown the thank you page, they then go down to a series of emails. So like I said, the beauty of funnels is you're capturing your potential customers' emails. And with this funnel, they're sending them a series of emails to sell them 1 affiliate marketing offer. Then they're showing them a second series of emails to take them to affiliate offer 2. And then they're going down again and doing another series of emails to another offer. So basically what this shows you is once you have the potential customer's email address, you can send them as many offers or links to products as possible in the future, as long as you basically warm them up through the funnel by sending them content that is really on point and targeted to that customer. So what that more elaborate funnel that we just showed you, and what a lot of other funnels out there do, is basically they use this process or this theory called the value ladder that is in the book .com Secrets that I mentioned before. And basically what the value ladder means is throughout the funnel, you capture someone's email address and you start sending them content, and that's them moving down the funnel. You can basically use this value ladder so that once you make your first sale, so you get to the end of your funnel originally, you can then make a sale for a higher value product. And then after that, another higher value product. Because you're basically building value by sending content to your potential customer, that trust that they have in you and also the authority that you command basically gets greater and greater and makes it possible for you to sell even more expensive products. So this value ladder basically shows you how you start off with bait. So that's the free item that I said you offer people. That's basically what you do to encourage them to give you your email address. So you put the bait out there, get their email address, and then you sell them the first product of the funnel, which is the front end product. But after that, you can then sell them the middle product, which is more expensive. Then you can move up the ladder again and sell them the back end product, which is even more expensive. And then finally, you can start selling products that are $500, $1,000, $2,000 in price. Start making the big bucks by building up the value ladder by using these sales funnels and different series of emails. There really is so much potential in using funnels. So many people I know and follow use funnels to make 6 figures and maybe even 7 figures if you're at the top of your industry using affiliate marketing funnels. So I couldn't recommend them more. I'm going to be talking about them more on this channel. So basically make sure to subscribe if you want to learn more about the specifics of funnels, maybe get some more specific examples and variations. So make sure to download that book if you want to learn more. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a like if you got value from it. Leave me a comment below if you don't understand anything I've said in this video, and I'll try and provide you with more information following your comments. Yeah, and just basically have a good couple of days. I'll see you in 2 or 3 days time. Videos every Monday and Thursday. And finally, make sure to follow me at Start Starting Up on Instagram if you want to get daily updates from me. Thanks for watching, everyone.